नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों। आज मैं आपके साथ यूकेपीएससी एई की परीक्षा के लिए एक और जनरल स्टडीज़ का मॉक टेस्ट डिस्कस करने वाला हूं। इससे पहले हमने अपने चैनल पे मॉक टेस्ट पेपर 1 डाला था। आशा करता हूं आपने उसको पूरा देखा होगा। और साथ ही मैं आशा करता हूं कि यूकेपीएससी एई की जो भी प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स हैं, चाहे वह 2007 का हो, 12 को हो या 13 का पेपर हो, उन सभी को देखकर आप एग्ज़ाम में ज़रूर जाएं। बिकॉज क्वेश्चंस रिपीट होने के बहुत हाई चांसेस रहते हैं यूकेपीएससी में, स्पेशली जब वह जनरल स्टडीज़ का पेपर हो। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं हमारे जनरल स्टडीज़ यूकेपीएससी एई के मॉक टेस्ट पेपर 2 की। पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वॉज द ऑथर ऑफ कीर्तार जूनिया? भैरवी, डंडिन, वारामिहिरा, कालिदास। तो इसका जो सही आंसर है वो हो जाएगा आपका भैरवी, विच इज़ ऑप्शन ए। Next question is, at which of the following sites all the Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic sites have been found in sequence? इसका आंसर जो हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी, विच इज बेरन वैली। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग कैन बेस्ट डिफाइन द न्यूलिथिक रेवोल्यूशन? विच इज़ ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन, टेक्नोलॉजी रेवोल्यूशन, मिल्क रेवोल्यूशन, एग्रीकल्चर रेवोल्यूशन। देखिए जाहिर सी बात है, न्यूलिथिक रेवोल्यूशन जो हुई थी या न्यूलिथिक पीरियड जो था हमारा एंशंट हिस्ट्री का, इट वॉज मेनली द पीरियड व्हेन एग्रीकल्चर फ्लरिश्ड। सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन डी, विच इज़ एग्रीकल्चर रेवोल्यूशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस असिस्ट अ कंट्री विद द एडजस्टमेंट प्रोसेस अंडर द एक्सटेंडेड फंड फैसिलिटी? एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक, वर्ल्ड बैंक ग्रुप, आईएमएफ या न्यू डेवलपमेंट बैंक? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी, विच इज इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, एट विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग सेशंस ऑफ द मुस्लिम लीग मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना हैड इन्वेंटेड अ न्यू स्लोगन, डिवाइड एंड क्विट? सो दिस वॉज इन कराची सेशन 1943। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच स्टेट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड मेरा काम मेरा मान स्कीम? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन ए, पंजाब। साथ ही मैं आपको यह भी बताना चाहूँगा कि जो गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स हैं डिफरेंट स्टेट्स की, उनमें से एक ना एक क्वेश्चन यूकेपीएससी अपने पेपर में ज़रूर पूछता है। तो जो भी पिछले 6 to 8 मंथ्स की इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम्स हैं स्टेट्स की, वो आप ज़रूर देख के अपने एग्जाम में जाएं और उनकी एक लिस्ट बना लें, ताकि आपको लास्ट डे रिविजन में आसानी हो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वॉज कॉल्ड बाय जहांगीर एज इंग्लिश खान? This was William Hawkins, and he had come to the court of Jahangir. He was the first one who came to the court of Jahangir with the intention of trade. इसी के पश्चात हमारी ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की ट्रेड इंडिया में शुरू हो गई थी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द लीडर ऑफ द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 इन लखनऊ वॉज? दिस वॉज बेगम हजरत महल, विच इज ऑप्शन डी। विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग वॉज ऑल्सो नोन एज वेस्टर्न प्रेसिडेंसी इन अर्ली टाइम्स ऑफ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी? सो दिस इज ऑप्शन बी, सूरत। Next question, which is question number 10, is, which gas is used in making of vanaspati ghee from vegetable oils? This is hydrogen, which is option C, H2. Next is, which state is set to launch gross environment product as part of its budget? This is Uttarakhand. An ordinance is promulgated by president when? She feels that ordinance should be promulgated on discretion. Supreme Court advises the president. Parliament passes a resolution. Council of Minister advises the president. So the answer to this is option D, on the advice of Council of Ministers. साथ ही मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि ऑर्डिनेंस इज इशूड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट अंडर आर्टिकल 123 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। सिमिलरली सिमिलर पावर हैज बीन कन्फर्ड ऑन द गवर्नर ऑफ अ स्टेट वेयर इन ही कैन इशू अ ऑर्डिनेंस अंडर आर्टिकल 213। तो ये दो आर्टिकल्स हैं, ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। ऐसी सिमिलर इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल्स जो हैं वो आप सभी एग्जाम में पढ़ के जाएँ, जिससे आपका अगर आर्टिकल रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन आता है तो वो आप सही कर पाएँ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वेयर ऑन अर्थ इज द सिरोही पॉइंट लोकेटेड? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका अंटार्कटिका, ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर्स ऑफ इंडिया ओरिजिनेट इन तिब्बत? सतलज, इंडस, घाघरा। तो इसमें से देखिए तीनों जो रिवर्स हैं हमारी, सतलज, इंडस, घाघरा, इवन ब्रह्मपुत्र भी, दे ओरिजिनेट इन तिब्बत। सो आंसर वुड बी ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द रिबल्स इन द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857 हैड नो क्लियर पर्सपेक्टिव. Many leaders of the revolt were defeated because of betrayal. That is true. Both are true, so answer is option C. The East India Company was deprived of monopoly of trade with India except tea trade by which of the following acts? देखिए ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की जो मोनोपोली थी ट्रेड इन इंडिया एक्सेप्ट टी एंड ट्रेड विद चाइना, इट वॉज abolished by the Charter Act of 1813. So the answer would be answer option A. Next is, poliomyelitis known as polio is caused by an enterovirus which causes paralysis of muscles. This virus has a particular affinity to, so this will be nerve cells of spinal cord, which is option B. Next question is, in which state EVM machines were used first? This is Kerala, which is option B. When was Tiri Kingdom merged into the Indian Union? This is 1949, option B. Who decides the disputes arising out of the election of president in India? This is Supreme Court of India. What was the profession of Karmara in Vedic age? This is blacksmith, option A. Next is, the impact of the First World War drew two classes of Indian society into the national movement. Who were they? They were peasants and business groups, which is option B. Next is, in which of the following marriages in Vedic era a girl was given by her father to a sage? So the answer to this will be Arsh marriage, which is option D. Which among the following has been used in the sculptures of Mathura School of Art? Question number 24. The answer to this will be red sandstone, which is option A. Next is, which among the following disease is caused by deficiency of nicotinic acid? This is pellagra, which is option B. Question 26. Which among the following are called alternative Nobel Prize? This is right to livelihood prize, which is option B. Which among the following is the most abundant element by mass in the Earth's crust? This is oxygen, which is option D. Question number 28 is, which among the following state is related to Mopala rebellion? This is Kerala, option B. Which among the following acts of United States is known to be prohibiting discrimination based on race, color, sex, religion and national origin by federal and state governments, as well as some public areas, as well as some public places? So this will be Civil Rights Act of 1964, which is option C. Asian Productivity Organization is based in Tokyo. This will be option D. Guantanamo Bay is located in which country? So this will be in Cuba, which is option A. Moving on to question number 32. Which of the following countries' lower house is called Gyeongyang Shogdu? Gyeongyang Shogdu. This is Bhutan. For example, the lower house in India is known as Lok Sabha. In Bhutan, it is known as Gyeongyang Shogdu. Which of the following industry has been traditionally called a child of protection? Child of protection is sugar industry, which is option C. Question number 34. Biological nitrogen fixation occurs in presence of oxygen only. Only symbiotic bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen. No, both of them are incorrect. Question 35. Indraprasth was the capital of which of the following Mahajanpad? This is Kuru, which is option A. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 36. Which of the following book is written by Ibn Battuta? So this is Rihla, option B. Rihla was written by Ibn Battuta. Kitab al-Hind was written by Al-Baruni, who was another traveler, Al-Baruni. Alright, then Taj-e-Mashir is written by Hasan Nizami. Deval Khani Khizr Khani is written by Amir Khusro. So, you know, all these books, important books which are written by travelers and even आमिर खुसरो, इनकी बुक्स एक ना एक जरूर पूछ ली जाती है, तो ये भी आप एग्जाम में जरूर करके जाएं, जिससे आप इस रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए उसको सही मार्क कर पाएं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which article is referred to as heart and soul of Indian Constitution? This is article number 32. For which of the following the term paper gold is used? So the term paper gold is used for International Monetary Fund's SDR, which is Special Drawing Rights. Which line separates North Korea from South Korea? This is 38th parallel. The 73rd Amendment of the Constitution made mandatory provisions for creation of 3-tier Panchayati Raj system in all states, regular election of civic bodies, reservation of seats for SC, ST and women in Panchayat bodies. That is true, definitely. But let me come to this point. Creation of 3-tier Panchayati Raj in all states. No. हर एक स्टेट में 3-tier पंचायती राज हो ही नहीं सकती, बिकॉज कुछ स्टेट्स में तो पॉपुलेशन ही बहुत कम है. फॉर एग्जांपल गोवा, सिक्किम, यहाँ तो पॉपुलेशन ही बहुत कम है. सो वन इज रॉन्ग. व्हेन वन इज रॉन्ग, so options A, C and D are gone. Your answer will be option B, which is 2 and 3. Let me tell you, reservation for SC and ST, they are on the basis of population. Reservation for SC and ST is on the basis of population, whereas reservation for women in panchayats is 1/3, that is 33%. This is very important provision of the 73rd Amendment of the Constitution. Also, let me tell you, since this talks about Panchayati Raj, and Panchayati Raj बहुत बार पूछा गया है UKPSC exams में, Panchayati Raj belongs to state list. This is a subject of the state list. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में 7th शेड्यूल के अंदर 3 लिस्ट दी गई हैं. वन इज़ यूनियन लिस्ट, देन देर इज़ स्टेट लिस्ट एंड अनदर वन इज़ कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट. पंचायती राज जो आता है दैट कम्स अंडर योर स्टेट लिस्ट, राइट. So Panchayati Raj state list, it came into existence by 73rd amendment of the constitution and it finds mention in 11th schedule of the constitution. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है 11th schedule. ऑल्सो कितने आइटम्स हैं 11th schedule पंचायती राज में? द नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स इज 29. सो दीज इंफॉर्मेशन इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सिमिलरली 73rd पंचायती राज का है. 74th जो आपका हो जाएगा अमेंडमेंट, दैट इज़ रिलेटेड टू अर्बन लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट, दैट इज़ म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज़. सो दैट इज़ 12th schedule and number of items under the 12th schedule of the constitution is 12. So this is how you have to decipher information out of every small bit of question that you have come across in your previous year papers. Next question is question number 41. Which of the following are planetary winds? Easterly winds, westerly winds, trade winds, katabatic winds. Select the correct option from the given options below. 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 4. देखिए planetary winds, even if you have studied geography from your NCRTs, you know that trade winds are there, easterly are there, westerly are there, but katabatic winds कभी planetary winds में सुनी नहीं है. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 1, 2 and 3 only, which is option B. Next is cellulose is a type of, it is a polysaccharide, it is a carbohydrate. Which of the following is the correct order for elements minerals found in the earth's crust? Answer to this will be oxygen, silicon, aluminum and iron. Option D. Consider the correct matches of GI protected products and the respective states. Muga silk, Assam, Thweta art, Rajasthan, Shepi, Lanpi, Nagaland and Bastar Dokra, मध्य प्रदेश. देखिए ये तो आपको पता होगा कि बस्तर इज इन छत्तीसगढ़, राइट. बस्तर इज इन छत्तीसगढ़. मध्य प्रदेश ये तो ऑप्शन पहले ही गलत हो गया आपका, राइट. मुग्गा सिल्क के लिए असम फेमस है. सो दिस इज वेरी बेसिक. मुग्गा सिल्क 1 इज करेक्ट, 4 इज रॉन्ग. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द ऑप्शंस. 1 इज करेक्ट, 4 इज रॉन्ग. 1 इज इन ऑल द ऑप्शंस, दैट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग. 4 इज रॉन्ग. तो आपका आंसर हो गया ए, बी या सी में से आपका आंसर होगा. सो इसका आंसर जो है वो है आपका ऑप्शन बी, 1 and 2 ओनली. सो विच मीन्स मुग्गा सिल्क इज GI प्रोटेक्टेड इन असम एंड थ्वेटा आर्ट इज GI प्रोटेक्टेड एज पर राजस्थान स्टेट. सो यू कैन लर्न बोथ ऑफ देम, मुग्गा सिल्क एंड थ्वेटा आर्ट, Rajasthan. Next question, question number 45 is, with reference to the various ragas used in Indian classical music, consider the following statements. Each raga has at least 5 notes. If a raga is Purvi, it is sung before noon, and if a raga is Uttar, it is sung after noon. Both of them are correct, so answer would be option number C. Next question is, Matheran Hill Railway is located in which state of India? This is Maharashtra. Which of the following Mughal rulers banned engraving kalma on coins? This is Aurangzeb, which is option D. Next question is question number 48. Potato is obtained from which part of the plant? It is a tuber and it is stem. Who among the following has been awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for 2021? Abdul Razak Gurna. Also very very important, Nobel Prize for 2021. Nobel Prizes आपके 6 कैटेगरीज में दिए जाते हैं. Who has been awarded for peace, who has been awarded for chemistry, physics, medicine. जितने भी आपके नोबेल प्राइजेस हैं उन सभी को आप बाय हार्ट, अगर वो 2 या 3 लोगों को भी जॉइंटली अवार्ड हुए हैं तो वो भी आपको उनके नाम बाय हार्ट याद करके जाने हैं. सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस, 2 questions have been asked related to this in the recently conducted upper PCS exam. तो नोबेल प्राइज पढ़ के आप जरूर अपने पेपर में जाएं. Next question is, in which session of the Congress split took place in the Congress? So this was in Surat session of the Congress, which was held in 1907. The famous Kigali Amendment is related to, so the Kigali Agreement, amendment or agreement, it is related to, this is related to phase out the use of HFCs, which is hydrofluorocarbons. So answer would be option A. Next question is, consider the following: frog, octopus, turtles, salamanders. Which of the following are amphibians? देखिए आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि frog and salamander are definitely amphibians. Octopus no, turtles no. So frog and salamander, 1 and 4 will be the answer. Yes, 1 and 4, option A is your answer. Fast breeder reactors typically contain plutonium isotope as fuel. The fast breeder reactors don't need slow neutrons for sustaining chain reaction. That is true. Both of them are correct. So answer would be option C. Hara Bhara scheme is related to which state? This is Telangana. Option C. With reference to the Milky Way galaxy, which among the following statements are correct? The Milky Way is a member of the Virgo supercluster. That is true. That is definitely true. The two most massive members of Virgo supercluster are the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy. No, this is not true. So your correct answer to this will be option A. Consider the following statements about the Kul irrigation technique. It is a technique to divert melting water from glaciers to a village tank. That is true. It is most prevalent in Himachal Pradesh. Yes, that is also true. Answer would be option C. ये आप याद रखें, कुल irrigation technology most prevalent in Himachal Pradesh. Moving on, question number 57. Which among the following would you suggest the government to help in fiscal consolidation? Raise the tax GDP ratio. Yes, अगर tax GDP ratio increase कर देगी तो government को ही फायदा है. It will lead to the fiscal consolidation of government. Reduce subsidies. Yes, अगर subsidies कम देनी पड़ेगी government को तो government के खर्चे कम होंगे, उनका fiscal consolidation ज़्यादा होगा. Convert central sector schemes into centrally sponsored schemes. No. So answer is option A, which is only 1 and 2. Currently, which among the following fertilizers are under statutory price control in India? Urea, diammonium phosphate, muriate of potash. Only one is under statutory price control, and that is urea. So answer would be one only, which is option A. Which of the following actions comes under RBI's monetary policy? Open market operations, disinvestment of government holdings, quantitative easing. Select the correct option from the code given below. So this would be open market operations, OMO, open market operation. This is definitely under RBI's monetary policy. And disinvestment, no, this doesn't come under RBI's monetary policy, but yeah, quantitative easing does come under monetary policy. So answer would be 1 and 3 only, which is option C. The presence of which of the following chemical elements helps to differentiate between sweet and sour crude oil? This is sulfur, which is option B. Mutual funds in India are regulated and monitored by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI. Invested in equity as well as debt market. Which of the following statements are correct? देखिए SEBI तो definitely this is true that mutual funds are regulated by SEBI. SEBI is a regulatory body, and the mutual funds in India are invested in equity as well as debt market. Which of both of them are true? So your answer would be option C. Next question is, currently which of the following cabinet committees are headed by the Prime Minister? Appointment committees of the Cabinet, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs, Cabinet Committee on Security. So this is correct. Appointment committee of the Cabinet headed by Prime Minister. Cabinet Committee again is headed by the Prime Minister, but the Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs, this is not headed by the Prime Minister. I think this is headed by our Home Minister. So your answer would be everything except option 3, and such an option is only option A. So your answer would be option A. India has very few naturally good harbors. Consider the following statements with this context. The number of natural harbors in India is much less on Eastern Ghats in comparison to Western Ghats. The geology and geography of Western Ghats allows them to provide ideal conditions for natural ports. Yes, definitely, because अगर गुड हार्बर्स की बात करें तो योर इंडिया के जो अच्छे अच्छे हार्बर हैं, वेदर इट बी योर ports in Goa, whether it be Kochi or it be Mangalore, all these are located on the Western Ghat. So the number of natural harbors in India is much less on Eastern Ghats. That is true. The geology and geography of Western Ghats allows them to provide ideal conditions for natural ports. That is also true. So your answer would be option C, which is both 1 and 2. Next is, in order to leverage private sector investment in green infrastructure projects in the country, India has jointly established Green Growth Equity Fund with which country? This is United Kingdom. Option B. Consider the following statements about the Jal Gram Yojana. Under this Yojana, 2 water-stressed villages in each district of the country are being selected for water security and quality improvement. A district level committee identifies the villages to be selected as Jal Grams. That is true. The project is receiving financial support from World Bank. No, this is not true. This is not true. So your answer would be 1 and 2 only, which is option B. Next question is, Uttarakhand sex ratio as per census 2011 is 1000:963. Which Indian airport is set to become net zero carbon emission airport by 2030? So your answer to this will be IGI Airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. India won bronze medal in hockey in Tokyo Olympics after how many years? This was after 41 years by defeating Germany. Consider the following statements about Mudra bank loan scheme, there is no fixed interest rate in Mudra. Mudra loan is refinanced only through SIDBI. No, not only through SIDBI, but through a variety of channels. No fixed interest rates. That is true. So your correct statement is only one. Question number 70 is the Nai Manzil scheme provides youth from minority communities skills needed for different tasks. It is funded by the World Bank. That is true. Both of these statements are true. Your answer would be option C. Next question is the decentralized procurement scheme of the Government of India has the following objectives: to reduce the transportation costs, to pass on the subsidiary burden of the central government to state governments, to cover more farmers under the minimum support price scheme, to enable making food grains available as per local tastes. देखिए, डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड प्रोक्योरमेंट स्कीम ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ द फॉलोइंग ऑब्जेक्टिव. तो टू पास ऑन द सब्सिडी बर्डन ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट टू द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स, अगर ऐसा कुछ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया करती है तो जाहिर सी बात है उसका ऐसा कोई इरादा होगा नहीं. सो even from a government side point of view, this doesn't appear to be right. So your answer would be everything except option 2. Let me come to this point. And such an option is only one, which is option C. So your answer is option C. Which of the following is the best description of the term avatar, sometimes seen in news? This is hypersonic space shuttle. Which of the following heavy atomic nuclear power stations of India are using pressurized heavy water reactor technology? Kaiga, Tarapur, Narora. Kaiga is in Karnataka, Tarapur is in Maharashtra, which is the oldest atomic nuclear power plant in India. Narora is in UP, and let me tell you, all of them are using pressurized heavy water reactor technology. On which of the following quantities work done does not depend? It doesn't depend on time. Option C. On which of the following factors the breaking stress depends? It depends on nature of the material, which is option C. Which of the following, what is the phase of a vibrating particle at t equal to 0? It is known as EPO. Option A. What will be the spring constant of each part if the string of force constant K is divided into n equal parts? Then it will be Nk. Option C. What does the term SQUALE stand for? It stands for Software Quality Assessment Based on Life Cycle Expectations, which is option B. Next question is question number 79. Which of these principles state that in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in order of their increasing energies? These are Auer's principle, which is option C. Which of these elements do not belong to the same group? Nickel, platinum, tungstenium, and roentgenium. So let me tell you, nickel, platinum, and tungstenium are all belonging to the group 10, whereas roentgenium, it belongs to group number 11. So answer would be option D. What is the pH of water in acid rain? This is less than 5.5. Option B. Which Olympic games are specially designed for the people with special disabilities? These are Paralympic games, very common. It was recently held in Tokyo, and when it comes to Paralympic, India was at 24th position in Paralympics and won a total of 19 gold medals. Also, let me give you some information about Paralympics. The flag bearer of Indian Paralympics opening ceremony was Tek Chand, and in the closing ceremony, our flag bearer was Avani Lakhera, and Avani Lakhera won 2 gold medals in shooting in Paralympics. Moving on, what role does fibers play in optical fiber cables? Prevent loss of signals, that is true. Provide immunity against electromagnetic interference, all of them. That is both A and B are true. What are the main value-added services provided these days in mobile telephony, internet, photo gallery, games, ringtones, astrology tips, WhatsApp, Instagram? So, main value-added services provided these days in mobile telephony. These are option C, games, ringtone, astrology tips. What is CTRL plus Q, that is Control plus Q, used for in MS Word? It is used to remove the paragraph formatting. Which famous world leader was accused at the Rivonia trial? This is Nelson Mandela. Option C. Question 87. In context with FATF, Financial Action Task Force, which of the following countries are in blacklist as of now? Pakistan, Sri Lanka, North Korea, Iran, So let me tell you, only North Korea and Iran are in blacklist as of now. So our answer will be option 3 and 4. North Korea तो almost हमेशा ही आपकी FATF की grey list में रहता है. Sometimes back Pakistan was also in it, but later on it got removed. So as of now, North Korea and Iran are in FATF's grey list. Consider the following statements with reference to Pragati, proactive governance and timely implementation platform. It monitors and reviews projects and programs of the union government only. It makes use of both video conferencing and geospatial technology. Which of the following statements are correct? Your answer would be option 2. Now let me tell you, it monitors and reviews projects and programs of the union government only. No, not only union government, but of the state government as well. That's why your answer is option 2. Option B. Which of these banks are authorized to act as agent of the RBI? Bank of Baroda, yes. Punjab National Bank, yes. State Bank, that is true. Answer would be all of the above. Who was the first Indian to win the World Amateur Billiards title? This was Wilson Jones. The third battle of Panipat was fought in 1761 between Ahmad Shah Abdali and the forces of the Marathas. That is basically Afghans versus Marathas. In 1970, Mahatma Gandhi organized a satyagraha to support the peasants of Kheda district of which state? Kheda district of Gujarat, which is option C. Who was given the title of the Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity for being the architect and mastermind of the historic Lucknow Pact? This was Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Which of the following are constituents of Indian Parliament? That is President, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. So your answer would be option D. Who is known for the invention of World Wide Web? This is Sir Tim Berners-Lee. The term negotiable instruments is associated with which of the following? A written document that transfers the value in it from one person to other. A written document entitled on an individual by delivery or endorsement. A written document entitled on a person to receive money. All of the above. So your answer to this will be all of the above. Negotiable instruments. Next question, question number 97 is SAARC was founded in which year? It was founded in 1985. The first meeting in India was held in 1986. Also, the headquarters or the secretariat of SAARC is located in Kathmandu, Nepal. And the number of members in SAARC is 8. This is very, very important. You should remember all the member nations which are part of SAARC. Question number 98 is Param Praveg, a supercomputer, has been installed at. So it has been installed at IISc Bangalore. And let me tell you, देखिए questions कैसे आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं. They might ask Param Praveg is what? It is a supercomputer. So even from the questions you need to pay importance and attention to each and every word of the question, because questions किसी भी तरीके से आपके एग्जाम में पूछे जा सकते हैं. Next question, question 99 is which of the following bank has launched M-Visa, a mobile-based payment solution? This is State Bank of India, which is option A. Next is who among the following said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? This was said by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Let me tell you, एक question Bal Gangadhar Tilak पे ऐसे भी आ सकता है that who among the following was never a president of any session of Congress? It was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was never the president of any session of Congress. Also, Bal Gangadhar Tilak is known for few newspapers, which is Kesari, and his book is also famous. There are two important books which are written by him. One is Srimad Bhagavad Gita Rahasya and another one is Arctic Home in the Vedas. Arctic Home in the Vedas. So these two books, Srimad Bhagavad Gita Rahasya and Arctic Home in the Vedas, these are two important books by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Kesari, Maratha are his newspapers or weeklies, you can say, and Shivaji Festival and Ganpati Festival were also started by him in Maharashtra. So with that, we come to the end of our discussion of our mock test 2 of general studies for UKPSC exam. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to our channel so that we can continue with this series, and this will definitely help you to give you an edge over other candidates in the forthcoming UKPSC A examination. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.